Hi there, and welcome once again to Birding with David. My birding tip of the day is for you to consider doing what's called a big sit. What in the heck is a big sit, you may ask? Well, a big sit is simply birding from a fixed location. You don't necessarily have to be sitting the whole time. What that allows you to do is get really familiar with the location you're at and make sure you're covering everything that's within that location. But also, it allows you to witness or to observe visible migration. Quite often you'll have birds overhead moving from treetop to treetop, especially true in spring and or fall migration. I'm talking to you now from near my property in Machosen, near Victoria, British Columbia. There's a beautiful clearing here, which allows me to view a westerly view towards the bluffs and hills in the distance, and I'm able to watch either hawks, migrating warblers, maybe some early flycatchers. Lots of swallows are zipping around. But that promontory or that viewpoint, big sit, fixed location. This is what I do daily for my eBird list, my checklist for the property. I simply stand at this spot anywhere from as little as 20 minutes to as long as 2-3 hours at a time. It's really good to do it over a period because then you get a really good feel for what is moving through over the course of a year, but also even in the course of a day. Like, for example, earlier today there was a lot of activity first thing in the morning, which is typical. Most of the activity is in the morning for birds. But don't neglect the middle part of the days, especially as the thermal activity warms up. It's a little cool today for spring here in Victoria, but as those thermal activities from the sun warms up, creates the warm air to rising, so that can help migrating hawks, but also things like geese, waterfowl, gulls even. It allows you to get really used to what's going to show up at your particular location. So I'm a big fan of the big sit because often when you walk through an area, you'll miss stuff. It's all timing and luck when you're there, but if you cover a spot, stay there, find a good promontory, call it your own, and come back over and over. Consistency is also the key. So there's my birding tip of the day. Get out there and do a big sit. Bye for now.